Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today's video, guys, is a super exciting announcement. I'm announcing my 20,000 subscriber giveaway, and it's all because of you. I could not have reached this milestone without you guys. You've always believed in me, always supported me, and the most beautiful way to start and end the day is with a grateful heart, and I'm definitely grateful for all of you. So let's jump right into the giveaway. It is definitely open to all worldwide subscribers. To start with, I'm giving away this absolutely gorgeous glam cushion. Now this is from Pillow Talk Australia, and guys, it is so stunning in person. This is a clip of it standing upright, and if you love glam decor and anything that sparkles, this cushion could have your name on it. Next up, as your girl Chelle knows that a lot of you love fake fur, I couldn't resist picking up these two fake fur Euro pillowcases for you. Now there's two in total, and they are absolutely stunning.
I wanna run through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit it.
Now these are from Spotlight Australia, and they would look absolutely amazing either in your own bed or in a little girl's bed. Now you know your girl Chelle couldn't do a giveaway without items from TK Maxx Australia. First of all is these beautiful dish towels. They say but first coffee. There's two in the pack, and they're actually double-sided. Also from TK Maxx is this "Life is what happens between coffee and wine" sign, as well as this most adorable little "but first coffee" sign. And to represent my Australian homeland, of course I had to get you this most adorable little keyring of an Australian koala. Isn't he just adorable? And I guarantee whoever wins this, they will be holding onto him so tight because he is so soft to touch. Now my final item to give away is from Target Australia. This beautiful baby blue quilt cover set is in a queen size and is absolutely stunning. I've put together this giveaway out of my own money, guys. I want so badly to share the excitement and joy of bringing a giveaway to one of my subscribers. Now the easy part of this is, it's open worldwide, guys. I will send it to you anywhere throughout the world. Now the rules are really simple. All you've got to do is be subscribed to my channel and share this video. I want you to go down in the comments below and write the word Chelles Glam Home shared. Like previous giveaways here on my channel, I will be asking my husband to pick someone totally at random, so it is completely fair. Now guys, the closing date for this giveaway is next Thursday, the 11th of July. Now that will close at midnight Eastern Standard Time. I will then announce the winner on Friday, the 12th of July. So please look out for that video. All the information on how to enter will be in my description bar down below. So guys, if you'd like to be a part of Chelles Glam Home giveaway, please follow the instructions down below, and I can't wait to find out who wins. So thank you once again, guys, from the bottom of my heart for always believing in me and helping me achieve my goals here at Chelles Glam Home.
never been closer. The daydream every
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.